Hello, welcome back everybody. So in the previous videos we have seen how to use the basic functions and features of MS Excel. So now today we will be seeing how we can create a simple pivot table. Uh, if you are confused about the spelling, it's pivot table, P-I-V-O-T, pivot table. Okay, so before creating a pivot table, just explain the difference between a normal table and a pivot table in MS Excel. So a normal table in MS Excel, as we all know, it will be fixed. It will be having fixed data and fixed values, fixed columns. But in a pivot table, we can make this the normal table much more flexible. The pivot tables are very much flexible, and we can customize it as per our requirement. So here, let's see how we can create a basic pivot table. So here I have a table. Already I have a table here. It's like it has brand, type, subtype, cost, price. Cost is the manufacturing cost and the price is the selling price. So under the brands we have various options like Zodiac, Vivaldi, DH, Charagdin, again DH. We have different types: half sleeve, full sleeve, and subtypes: party wear, casuals, formals. So a lot of data is there, but we need to get some customized data for some of our requirements. So here we will see how we can create a basic pivot table. So before creating the pivot table, select the table that you need, select the table data that you need to you want to create the pivot table. So select the data I have selected here. Okay, and then go to insert, click on the pivot table. Yeah, now you can see option select a range or table. The range is already selected here, and if you want to change the range manually, you can edit it by clicking over here. Okay, so I'm not going over here because you must not edit it unless you are an expert in Excel. Okay, the next option is like whether you want to create the pivot table in a new worksheet or in the existing worksheet. So here we'll be going with a new worksheet. Select the new worksheet and click OK. Yeah, a new sheet worksheet has been created, and on the right hand side you can see certain pivot table fields: brand, type, subtype, cost, price, everything that we had in the previous sheet. So we also have filters, columns, rows, values. So here I will be taking the brand. Okay, just taking the brand in the rows. So we'll be getting the brand here. Okay, next I want to know the cost. So I'll be putting the cost and the values because the value is there. Okay, so you can see that the cost has been populated here. It's the sum of the cost for Charagdin. You can see for Charagdin the cost is 1100 plus 1100, it's 2200, and for every branch it has been calculated. Okay, so this is a basic pivot table. You also can get more customized data, like if you want to get the type, you can select it over here. Okay, the data is there. It's very much useful. Yeah, you can get it segregated for full sleeve and half sleeve. Okay, so if you want to get the subtype, click, and you'll be getting more useful data. You can also get the price, the actual sum of actual price. So it's a very useful data. You can customize the data in the way you want to see it. You can remove some data here. Okay, you don't want to see the cost, remove it. Okay, so this is the basic, and you also can see the grand total over here. So this is the basic creation of a pivot table. It's a basic pivot table, but there are various extensive pivot table management activities that we need to learn as we grow along with the Excel. So I will not be going through that now, but later on, once we cover all the basic activities, then we'll be going for the advanced pivot table creations. So that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and also you also enjoyed the way we create the pivot table. The pivot table will be very much useful for you as you handle various data from various sources. So just take note of it. So if you like this video, please like and share it with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So till I come with my new video, bye bye.